Students, today we are going to learn that how to implement the Arduino projects virtually. It means you can get all the components and Arduino board virtually so that you can implement all the circuit virtually on your computer or laptop. And you have to go to tinkercad.com. There is one site is there, tinkercad.com. So you have to type TINKER tinkercad and if you .com. So you can see here tinkercad.com. So if you are going here, then you will see this one, tinkercad.com. So you can see here, this is Tinkercad site is there. So you have to go to the options, start tinkering. Then you have to create an account on this, or you can sign in using your Gmail account. Here is the option, this is the Gmail account, and you can sign it with your Gmail account. You will see a screen like this. In that some options will come here like 3D design, circuits, code blocks and lessons. So for you students, we are choosing the option circuits. Then after this you have to go to the option, after going to the circuit option you have to go to the option create new circuit. Then what you will see here, see all the components will be given here like resistor, LED, push button, potentiometer, and then after this 9 volt battery is also there, then breadboard, and this is our Arduino board. So all this is servo motor. So all these components will be present to you virtually. What you have to do is just you have to drag them, like I want this Arduino board on my circuit panel. So what I have to do, I have to just drag it and I have to drop it in my circuit panel. So I am making one basic LED circuit. So what I need for this, one Arduino board, one LED. So I will fix my LED here, and for the current limiting I will need one resistor also. So I will keep one resistor here and one LED here. So what I will do now I have to do the wiring. For this we know that this is the cathode point of the LED. You can see cathode is written. So we have to connect it to the ground terminal. This is the ground terminal. You can count also. This is pin number 8, then 9, then 10, then 11, then 12, then 13. So this is pin number ground. So you have to just click on this and you have to drag it. You have to drag it to the ground terminal and click again on the ground terminal, and you can select the color also. So I am selecting like orange color for the ground terminal. You can select any color that is of your choice. Just for showing you the color, I am showing this color. After this I need to connect the anode of the LED. So I will just click on the anode and I will just drag it to the one terminal of resistor and just click on that, and I can select the color of the wire, that is red I am selecting, and I will select this to pin number 13. So pin number 13 is here, so I will connect this to pin number 13. Again I will connect with the help of red wire. So see, my basic LED circuit is complete. After this circuit assembly, I have to go for coding. So in this there will be different type of coding like block coding, block plus text coding and text coding. So for my purpose I am using text coding. You can use anything. So there is already I have written one program on how to glow the LED. You can see here also how to glow the LED. You can see the program on the screen and you can copy paste from here. After this what you have to do, you have to start simulating. Click on the option. You can see just next to the code there will be one option, start simulating. You have to click on that, start simulating. Then what will happen, you can see that your LED is glowing. Here you can see here the color is changing, it is glowing. Now I want to change the timing for which it will glow, so I will change from 1000 to 100. So first for this you have to do what? Stop simulating, then only you can edit the code. So for this I have done stop simulating. After this I have just entered 100 milliseconds in place of 1000. I have entered 100 millisecond. Now again I have to do start simulating. Now you can see that it is glowing for a very shorter period. So students, in this way you can share also. Here are the options to share and export. So you can export this or you can share it